You want to learn how to sound like as if you're from Birmingham, eh? Got you covered. Follow me. No forcing, no forcing. I have Brummie accent. Thomas Shelby. I think something like you get Peaky Blinders. By the order of F and Peaky Blinders, eh? Though it's quite different. We just need to change the vowel words. First is U. Yuki sound is not U, it's O. Okay? O. O sound, hey Yuki. It's not under, it's under. Under the water. Okay? Umbrella. Okay? Second, we have A. Icky sound hai I. Okay? It's not A. It's not name. It's name. My name. It is raining. Okay? What game you playing? Icky sound kya hai? AI. Game you are playing. Okay? Third, we've got O. O ki sound hai ow. A. O. H. Okay? Ow. It's not float. It's flout. Flout. Ow. O ki sound kya hai? Out. Flout is flouting. Then we have I. Or I ki sound hai in a sudden. Bit. Okay? Kit. Kit cat. Bit. So yeah, this is it. Alright guys, have a good day. Thank you. I love you. Bye bye. Follow me. Follow me.